In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites as a student. Google Sites is a great tool for creating websites easily, perfect for organizing academic portfolios or collaborative projects. Start by going to sites.google.com and signing in with your Google account. On the homepage, click Template Gallery and browse the available templates. Look for the Student Portfolio template. It's designed for showcasing your work, projects, and achievements in a clean, structured layout. Once selected, it's time to customize your site. Add your name, contact info, class projects, or even a blog. You can upload images, videos, or links to make your portfolio more dynamic. Google Sites makes editing easy. You can change text, images, and rearrange sections with just a click. When you're done, hit publish to make your portfolio live. Share it with classmates, teachers, or potential employers by sending the site link. And that's it. A personalized professional student portfolio created with Google Sites. Happy site building.